Hi everyone, my name is Emilee McWilliams and welcome to my course, Creating Visualizations Using Base R Graphics. I'm a data scientist in the financial industry, and I've seen a variety of business problems. At many times in data projects, descriptive graphs can provide great insight into complex data sets. And R is an industry-leading programming language to create these graphs. In this course, we're going to create graphs utilizing only base R graphics. The visuals built into R without having to download any packages. Some of the major topics we'll cover include creating a bar chart, creating a line and area chart, as well as producing statistical graphs such as histogram and a scatter plot. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create beautiful visualizations and communicate your findings to an audience. No prior experience is required for this course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R with creating visualizations in Base R Graphics course at Pluralsight.